VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. It's a type of software that establishes secure and private connections over the internet or any other type of public network. There are lots of different types of VPN, but by far the most common are personal VPN services, which are applications that run in the background on your device. Personal VPN services usually offer a network of different server locations to connect to. Those servers are used to bypass geo-restrictions and protect your privacy and security on the internet. Other common types of VPN include remote access VPNs and site-to-site VPNs, which are often used by businesses to securely access company files while working from home, or to create a network combined between two or more different organizations in different physical locations. But it's probably personal VPNs that you're here to learn about. VPN software works by encrypting your web traffic and rerouting it through a remote server before it then reaches your desired website, service, or app. All of the data transmitted between your device and the VPN server is encrypted, and this ensures that your browsing activity and communications are indecipherable, so even if your data is intercepted, whoever's doing the intercepting won't know what you're doing. It will also appear as though your connection is originating from the VPN server and not from your actual device. This hides your true IP address and location from the websites and applications that you visit, and they can now only see the IP address of your chosen VPN server. The big additional benefit to this is that it allows you to spoof your geographic location. For example, if you connect to a Japanese VPN server, websites and applications will believe that you yourself are located in Japan. As we've just covered, personal VPN services have two main functions: encrypting your web traffic and hiding your IP address. But those two things alone can have a multitude of uses, including avoiding ISP surveillance and protecting your privacy online, unblocking geo-restricted websites and streaming services, bypassing local firewalls and evading government censorship, and avoiding ISP throttling and protecting P2P file sharing activity, and staying secure on unprotected public Wi-Fi networks. The great thing about VPNs is that a good one will do all of that. You don't need more than one or to worry about specialist niches. Personal VPNs typically offer native applications and software for just about all of your devices. That includes your smartphone and tablet, your PC, Mac, or Linux laptop or desktop, your web browser, the most popular streaming devices, and your wireless home router. The router option is particularly useful because it allows you to protect every device connected to it, even if they can't support VPNs natively themselves, like games consoles. And once you set a VPN up on your router, all the devices connected to it will use the same encrypted tunnel. It's also possible to set up your own VPN server at home using a router or personal computer or cloud computing service. And while this is mostly free to do, it's also technically pretty difficult. You wouldn't be able to use it to flexibly spoof your geographic location, and it doesn't protect your privacy from your ISP or anyone it shares information with. And that's why subscription VPN services are so popular. VPNs are a very useful tool, and they're only getting more impressive as time goes by, but they aren't perfect, and you should be aware of their limitations. Most good quality VPNs charge a monthly subscription fee. All VPNs slow down your connection speeds to some degree, the good ones less so and the bad ones more. Your safety depends on how trustworthy your VPN provider is. Using a VPN is illegal in a number of countries and restricted in a handful more. A VPN will not protect your device against most malware or cyber attacks. Using a VPN increases bandwidth consumption. Even the very best VPNs can't unblock every website all the time. And most importantly of all to remember, I think, is that a VPN cannot make you completely anonymous online. That's all just a very quick overview though. If you want to browse on over to top10vpn.com, we have hundreds more guides and explainers to help answer all of your questions about VPNs and how they work, no matter how basic. We also have reviews of dozens of the most popular consumer VPNs out there so that you can find the best one at the best price to suit your needs. And, of course, there's loads more videos, including step-by-step walkthroughs for all manner of setup and troubleshooting right here on our YouTube channel. Best of luck on your VPN journey, and I'll catch you next time.